This is a brief review of the Three Musketeers 3 Model M Mini Portable Air Purifier. This air purifier is suitable for the office or a small bedroom. It can cover an area of about 6 square meters. I found that this air purifier does work quite well. I noticed a difference in the air quality in my room after just one night. To operate the air purifier, you'll just plug in the USB connector and make sure that the blue indicator lights up. And it comes with 3 modes: sleep mode, auto mode, and high speed mode. Now this retails for about $25 on Amazon. And overall, I really did find that this purifier was great quality, fairly quiet. The only issue I found was the length of the cord is pretty short, so that limits your ability to place the filter where you need it.